Malls provide facilities like they provide parking space, they provide air conditioners, then they provide, those places are clean and they have clean atmosphere and you can access everything. And they might have deep discounts also, so that might be a plus point. And facilities for retailers, they give you personalized services, they give you free home deliveries, they are open for the full day, so that is also a plus point. And if you are a regular customer,
missing out on facilities, retailers also give credit.
Yeah,
they sell on credit. That works well for many people. Where in mall, it has to be cash directly. Yeah, there are many people who will keep an account. For the entire month they will keep buying whatever that they want to, and at the end of the month they're settling. So let's say somebody who is salaried people, it works out well for them. That their money is not blocked. Only at the end of the month when they receive the salary, they can make the payment and they can start the fresh account.
Okay. Yeah, and rise in the price. There is a rise in the price of the product. Then the retailers will not be affected much on their sales and profits. But the malls will surely have we have to pay more, so their profit margin remains the same, and then their sales will eventually come down. So rise in the price will affect the malls rather than the retailers. Okay, now in this present generation, the consumers' demand is people are more aware due to the technologies all around, newspapers and televisions and such things. So people are sure that they want to have this design and this pattern. So in that case, a few particular places, a few retail stores are making a huge profit out of them, and people have become brand conscious. They want all branded stuffs, and also in that case, malls are doing good. A large number of working class people in India. These working class people are benefited by the retailers. They can have their, as ma'am said, the credit facilities which is provided by the retailers help the working class, and the working class is labor class also, which buys their food on day-to-day basis. So retail stores may be a good option for them. And seasonal workers like those firecrackers, they are available only on the Diwali time. So during those times they can work on some retail places, whereas malls they have to sign up bonds and such things. So retailers can provide employment to seasonal workers, and all the people in India are fascinated by the credit facilities. So retailers do a very good job there. Yeah, and the other side of the retailers is that they don't pay taxes. Tax evasion is that they escape or they avoid paying taxes to the government what is required. So that is a negative point about the retailers. The malls have to pay a lot of taxes to government, so they are like born to do so. So there is no cheating which can be possible. And $7 trillion is the world revenue, yearly basis from the malls and the retailers, so which is a huge market in the economy. And the Kalyana stores and the retailer stores can have their own managing systems, like their own rules, their own timings to open, their own ways of discount, and also they can have what they want. So that is a plus point for the owner or the entrepreneur of the thing. Now we have the again voting, and now how many of you feel malls are better and how many of you feel retailers?
We have decided the store 10 ones were for malls.
Yes, and they are coming from retailers. Or you have to it still depends. Still depends.
Depends on what we have to buy.
No, you have that voting had only two options. This voting had three options. This year, malls, retailers, or both. Most of you go for both, and if I have to judge, then both are cordially in coexistence, and malls and retailers both should be existing to have a great Indian economy. And thank you.
She had given a kind of, she presented the arguments on both the sides very, like she has never shown her own preference at any point in time. She has said good things about mall. She has even said bad things about mall and vice versa. So I think what she has presented is a very nice, what you can say that she left it up to you to judge. Yeah, she left it up to you. And I think nicely concluded, it's not either or, it's
And
yeah,
and that
both
will
will
be the
coexist.
economy of India.
Absolutely, both will coexist. And the only thing is, mall culture in India, you know, maybe with the passage of time, you know, with newer generation simply coming in, you know, malls will start picking up. You know, there will be couple of, as I said, you know, there are people who will be kind of, you know, preferring shopping at malls. Yeah, but you know that very well that doesn't mean that with malls coming in, retailers will be wiped out. This has not happened, and I don't think so it will happen even in future. Yeah, the retailers are here to stay. Just for your knowledge, you know, I think that is why Walmart has been thinking, you know, for the last 8 years, Walmart is wanting to open up in India. They have opened up in India only in Punjab. Yeah, Amritsar. You know, Amritsar, only 2 stores of Walmart, small Walmart stores have opened. Yeah, even in Rajkot, unofficial news simply says that they have, in Rajkot, they have purchased some land on Jamnagar Road. You know, somewhere near the Jamnagar Road, I don't know whether it is authentic news or not, but somewhere near Jamnagar Road. But believe me, problem with people in Rajkot is, because in Rajkot we do not have many places to roam around, we think that mall is a place to roam around. You go on Sunday, you go to the mall and you will see that, you know, maybe 10,000 people at the mall. How many of them have any shopping bags in their hands? Nobody. Yeah, I mean, no yeah, खाली आदमी लोग 30 रुपये की पानी पूरी खाएंगे. Believe me, such kind of people make malls shut down because they are occupying the space. Mall is spent, you know, many people.
Also, if there's some class of people that are coming there, then and they want to actually shop,
Yeah.
but because of these low
They do not prefer because you know,
middle
they say,
class
"Oh,
people,
or you know, it's so packed, I don't want to go." But believe me, this is packed not because they are actual shoppers. You know, if only actual shoppers go, if their turnover is actually moving, in that case malls will sustain.
But they should have a rule that at least they should have one bag in your hand and you can go.
Then people of Rajkot will carry bags from home and home.
Yeah, they are like, I have seen people saying that, oh, घरे को गर्मी नहीं चाहिए, ऐसे चलना तो let's go to the mall.
Light budget,
Now something like this, Walmart has been thinking, Walmart requires huge space, you know, like if actual Walmart stores come, you know, whatever that you say, in Crystal Mall, it will be at least 5 times Crystal Mall size. Okay, now that much of space, believe me, on Jamnagar Road, what they have been proposing in Rajkot is that they will have the free pickup service, bus service, you know, to because you know otherwise who will go to Jamnagar Road? Like suppose if I tell you that we have Wadi school at Jamnagar, if I tell you that you know you know there is one let's say grocery store, go to that Wadi and you know get all your groceries from there, nobody will go.
No,
Yeah,
if
definitely
it is half the price, then also nobody will go because that much petrol will be.
Absolutely, it kind of balances in there. Yeah, so what they are thinking is that they are planning to start a loop, bus loop, just like we have it in Singapore and all. You know, the buses keep you know that route, you know, on that route they keep traveling. Yeah? But Rajkot की public कहीं ऐसे नहीं है बस में आराम किया ना मार जैसे और जब बच्चे के पुत्री जैसे या और एक मफत में you know बस की राइड मारी या पाछा उतार ऐसे not only